हेलो प्यारे प्यारे लोग, today I'm gonna share with you super easy gluten-free oat cookies. First, take a cup of oats. You can take any oats as per your choice. Next, add 1 cup of oats flour. If you don't have, then simply mix oats in the grinder. Then add baking powder. And the next thing is our hero cinnamon powder. Along with that, I'm adding some nutmeg powder. And after that, some pink Himalayan salt or rock salt, whatever you are having, some vanilla essence, and now I'll be using some coconut dried, and you can also add the normal coconut. You have to use the shredded coconut, and after that some coconut oil. For sweetener, here I am adding the jaggery powder. You can add the desi khand as well. Next, to increase the nutritional value, I am adding here some flaxseed powder, or if you don't have or you don't want any hazel, just add the seeds directly. Some raisins and dark chocolates also. Yummy. Now, to increase more nutritional value, I'll be adding some more seeds. Here I am having sunflower seeds, so I am adding that only. You add whatever you have. Now add plant-based milk or normal milk, whatever you have. Now mix all the ingredients and bind them all together and slowly form the cookie-like shape. These cookies are full of health benefits and are super foods to have while you are on your weight loss journey. Each ingredient which I have added is a gem here. Here I am taking the baking tray and I have put all the cookies on the parchment paper, and I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll be cooking these for about 15 to 17 minutes. Ta-da! My cookies are baked, so you can see the golden brown texture of the cookies. These are ready to be served. Let it cool down for some minutes and then enjoy. Here you can find out the exact measurement of the ingredients.